How to send message to seller on Poshmark. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send message to seller on Poshmark. Now it's actually quite simple, but you can do so on your application as well. I'll just be showing you here on the browser. So if you want to do it on application, you can simply download the Poshmark application from your Play Store or App Store and then log into your account. If you want to do so on your browser, you can simply head into poshmark.com on your browser, and then you'll be headed to this page where you want to make sure that you're logged into your account. In my case, as you can see here on the screen, that I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Now what you'll need to know is the only way to contact a Poshmark seller completely privately is to locate the item first under my purchases. So first you'll have to have had made the purchases. Once you have made the item purchased, only then you'll be able to message the seller. Now here you can see the interface like this. Once you have purchased item, you want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and under it you'll see various options. You want to find the option my purchases and simply tap on my purchases option, and once you do so, all your purchases will show up here. You want to select the item that you want to purchase the seller of, and once you select it, you'll find the option message seller, and you can directly hit the message seller option. So this way you can send message to seller on Poshmark. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.